In this video, I'll show you how to use the PRODUSE utility to generate a license report. There's two ways to generate a license report that will be used for license auditing, and that is from the Add Remove Licenses console, which is in the administration console, or you can run it manually from the command line, and I'll show you how to run it both ways. The first and easiest way to run it is from the administration console, which you can get from the main flyout, choosing AR System Administration, then AR System Administration Console, System, General, and then Add Remove Licenses. And you'll see at the bottom of this page, there's a button just for generating your license usage report. We'll click on that and I'll pull this over in the center, and we just need to provide a start date and an end date. And just for this sample test, I'll just choose a start date of the beginning of the month and an end date of today, which happens to be October 19th when I'm recording this. And we'll just click on Generate Report. This could take several seconds to several minutes, depending on how much data has been collected. If you do get a prompt to wait, you can wait a little longer, then come back and then click on the wait. You do want to wait so it finishes the report. Once it's done, you'll get a pop-up message telling you that your report is done and that it is located in the AR Server DB directory. You can click OK. And a copy of the report will be open, and it'll be called Report Result. And in my case, I already had one, so I called it Report Result 1. And it's a CSV file, which I can open up here or do whatever it is I'm going to do with this file. That's how you generate the report using the console. Now let me show you how to run this from a command line. First, go into your BMC AR System installation directory, and then open up a command prompt from there. And you can simply run PRODUSE with several parameters. The first one is going to be the input directory. The input directory, it's going to look for the license report.txt file in the AR Server DB directory. So we're going to put AR Server /DB. And now for the output directory, it'll be the same place. We're going to have it create the report results.csv file in the AR Server DB directory as well. And next we need to include a start date. And for my example here, I'm going to use an early start date of 1/1/2017 and an end date, which is the -E of sometime much later. And that's all I need to do to run it is the -I for the input directory, the -O for the output directory, the -S for the start date, and the -E for the end date, and run it. And give it a couple minutes. And if you look in your AR Server DB directory, you should see the report result.csv file, and that's all you need to do. Now let me quickly show you how to do this on a Unix box. First thing you want to do is change into the AR System bin directory so you can run the PRODUSE utility from there. And next thing you want to do is simply run the same command. It's very similar syntax. It's /produce with the -I. And in this time, I'm going to specify the DB directory with a full path and file name of license report.txt. And the -O, this time I'm going to provide the DB directory with the full output file name of report results.csv. And again, the -S with the start date and the -E with the end date. So we'll go ahead and run that. That will generate the report. And if I look in the DB directory, I'll see that multiple copies of the report are there. So that's it. That's how you run this utility. Please visit the BMC Remedy and Discovery site on YouTube so that you can see other related videos, and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of future videos. Thank you for watching.